Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Pilot timing belt. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a specialized crankshaft pulley holder and a reliable torque wrench. For safety, disconnect the battery and completely drain the engine coolant. Next, you'll need to remove the accessory drive belts and the power steering pump. Finally, securely support the engine and carefully remove the passenger side engine mount to gain access to the timing components. Now, let's get to the timing belt itself. Begin by removing the crankshaft pulley, followed by the upper and lower timing belt covers. Carefully rotate the crankshaft clockwise until all the timing marks on the crankshaft and camshafts align perfectly at top dead center. It's a good practice to mark the old belt and sprockets. Then, loosen the hydraulic tensioner and compress it slowly, inserting a 2mm pin to hold it in place. With everything exposed, it's time for replacement. Carefully remove the old timing belt, the water pump, and the tensioner assembly. Install your new water pump, ensuring the engine contact surfaces are clean and dry, and torque its 5 bolts to 9 foot-pounds. Next, mount the new hydraulic tensioner and idler pulleys, torquing the idler pulley bolt to 18 foot-pounds. Finally, route the new timing belt, double-checking that all your alignment marks are perfectly matched. You're almost done. Reinstall the timing belt covers, the crankshaft pulley, and all the accessory drive belts. Refill your cooling system with the appropriate coolant and reconnect the battery. Before starting, manually rotate the crankshaft 2 full revolutions clockwise, then recheck all your timing marks to confirm perfect alignment. Finally, start the engine. Carefully inspect for any leaks, and take your Honda Pilot for a thorough test drive to ensure everything is functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.